Honestly, like, look at the state of me. This is the best of, this is the best of blushes. This is my bag of stuff, okay? Look at the state of me. What is that? Yeah. Okay, let's just make a start. I'm just gonna go through the bag. I had them all laid out a second ago and I've got a fucking headache. Okay, so this one here is by Senna. And this is the Pro Makeup Palette. And these are a combination of cream to powder products. They're really nice, really, really nice. I don't know if this is still being made, but I've still got it here. It's by Chantecaille. So it costs about, I don't know, about £600 or £700 an ounce. I'm kidding. It's really pretty for a liquid. A lot of creams here and liquids. I don't think this is being made, but it's by NARS and it's still one of my favorites. It's the Orgasm one in their little jar. It's an orgasm in a jar. So I'll be taking 2 of those. Jouer. How pretty that is, by the way. They're duo powders. That's a great color, by the way, as an eyeshadow. Just letting you know. Makeup by Mario here. And this is their, I love this. This is that hybrid product, which is, what's it called? This one's called Pinch Me Pink, but it is the Soft Pop Plumping Blush Veil. It's really, really, really pretty. You know that blush is my favorite category of all of them. The problem with this one is, other than it's amazing, which is rose ink, somebody said, looks like a toilet seat. And now I cannot unsee it because yes, it looks like a toilet seat. Somebody, come on, why would you design that? But it is an amazing product for a toilet seat. Bobbi Brown here. I remember when Pot Rouge was actually in a pot and it contained about 60 grams of product. It was absolutely extortionately huge and amazing. Jones Road, so speaking of Bobbi Brown, I like this. A lot of people do not. I love it. I think it's amazing. And it is their Miracle Balm. Got a bit of a whiff, but oh, don't we all? Sigh here, and this is their beautiful, shimmery, gorgeous blusher. It's like a cream, but it's a powder. It is so beautiful, so beautiful. Hourglass here for a bit of powder love, and of course it's their ambient blushes. Still great, still a great product. Okay, these are nice. I mentioned these before. So these are by Nude Sticks. They're really nice. There's just not a lot of product in here, so you need to bear that in mind, but they're really nice. It's a cream to powder formula, and it's very nice here. P. Louise, really cheap, the cheek of it, and it's her liquid blushes, and they come with, let me take the top off, little squeezy tip here, and they're really pretty and pretty affordable as well. So bear that in mind. Look at this. This is a brilliant color. So this is called Orgasm Edge. What a ridiculous name. I mean, come on, grow up. Ridiculous. Anyway, ridiculous. NARS Orgasm Edge. It's such a good color. It really is an amazing color. So I'm edging now as we speak. REM Beauty. I love this. For some reason, a lot of people do not seem to like it. I didn't even know that this was a celebrity based one. So there you go. They're matte. They're really, really pigmented. I'm a slut for anything that is in a tube. I really am. I'll save the best till last. I love this. Patrick Tar. This is their Duo Compacts powder and a cream. Comes with a little flap. But really, really beautiful. I love it. Vanessa Myricks, if you're looking for something really kind of like really dewy and borderline greasy, but gorgeous. So this is wonderful. It really is. This is so pretty by Drunk Elephant. Drunk Elephant seem to have dropped off the radar here in the UK. I don't know why. This is by Mario. This is their powder. That's a really delicate color here called Mellow Mauve. It's very pretty and delicate. But as with all his products, and they're actually quite nice, they're quite powdery. You know when you touch it with a brush and there's a lot of powder? Oh, that's my favorite. So we'll talk about that in a second. So Makeup by Mario again. They're really dewy, these ones, the stick ones, but they're absolutely gorgeous and divine and delicious. And oh, my other favorite, and nutrition. Oh, there it is. Okay, So these are still being made. Anybody remember when Bobbi Brown did... Anybody remember when Bobbi Brown did eyeshadows like this? I do. I still have them and I mourn the loss of them. That was when the brand was good. It's not anymore. I love these. I love them. You can buy them as singles. You do not have to have them in a palette. Okay, look at this. It's so beautiful. This is called Fresco and this is by Laura Mercier. It is absolutely wonderful. Speaking of wonderful, Laura Mercier, again, this is their liquid blush. Too little product. Might want to sort that out. I love the nude sticks. I love them. I love them. Oh, I love them. Okay, so next up we've got Tom Ford, and this is their duo here. God, do you remember when Tom Ford was amazing? I do, right back in the day. I'm almost through. Oh, this is really lovely. This is one of those compacts from Makeup Forever where you've got a little bit of everything here, but really, really nice if you're into that kind of stuff. Oh, this is so pretty. RMS. Look at that. Look, you beautiful people. That's really pretty. Oh, Jones Road again. Oh, this is lovely. It's like a really beautiful cream blushes. I got every single shade here. I'm such a dirty boy when it comes to blusher. Oh, the matte, Pillow Talk matte wands. These are so nice. These are really, really, really nice. Gorgeous, gorgeous. Look at this. Nude sticks. I miss the nude stick pencils, by the way. You know, Nude Stick had these amazing pencils and then they took them away for whatever reason, and then Bobbi Brown did them. And she did really well with them. Bring them back, they were amazing. Rare Beauty, I love it. I think this is a wonderful, they're really pigmented, by the way. Hourglass, I've talked about, this is like holy grail stuff. It is a liquid blusher. It's got a little pushy thing here. One single drop is all you need. I'm reaching the end. Okay, last two here, before the holy grail of all of them. Say, see, so. These are so pigmented, so be careful. Ilia, these are really quite sheer, but they're so pretty and they're just purse friendly. And finally, my two favorites, Westman Atelier, not just because of the packaging, although that's a big part of it. They're just heavenly. They really are. I love the magnetic close. I hate the fact that they don't play well together. They like constantly repel each other. So you need to bear that in mind. It's irritating like you wouldn't believe. And this by Victoria Beckham. Look at that. It looks like a roused dog, but it's so good. It is my favorite. It is beautiful, matte, perfection. It just needed a magnetic close. And that is my favorite blushes, 2024. Not a sponsored one amongst them. What a pisser. See you next time, bye-bye.